BrainBoostMania. It's time for Sounds Wild. Guess the animal from their calls. Let's get started. Which reptile can detach its tail to escape predators? Lizard. Some lizards can detach their tails to distract predators and escape, and their tails eventually grow back. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight, using their wings to fly and navigate in the dark. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Crocodile. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal, capable of crushing bones with their powerful jaws. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest species of shark, growing up to 40 feet long, but it is gentle and feeds on plankton. Which bird is known for its impressive ability to migrate long distances? Arctic tern. The Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, traveling up to 44,000 miles. What type of animal is a frog? Amphibian. Frogs are amphibians, which means they live both in water and on land at different stages of their lives. Which animal is known for its playful behavior and intelligence? Dolphin. Dolphins are known for their playful behavior and high intelligence, often seen jumping and playing in the water. What animal is the main character in the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar? Caterpillar. The Very Hungry Caterpillar is a popular children's book that follows a caterpillar as it eats and grows. What is the largest species of penguin? Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is the largest species of penguin, standing about 4 feet tall. Which animal is known for its loud, howling calls? Wolf. Wolves are known for their loud howling calls, which they use to communicate with their pack members. What type of animal is a tarantula? Spider. Tarantulas are large spiders known for their hairy bodies and legs. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, thanks to their unique wing structure. What animal is known for its ability to spray a foul-smelling liquid? Skunk. Skunks can spray a foul-smelling liquid from their glands to deter predators. Which animal is known for its intricate web-spinning abilities? Spider. Spiders are known for spinning intricate webs to catch their prey. What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, capable of diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Lizard. The Komodo dragon is the largest species of lizard, found in Indonesia. Which animal is known for its slow movements and tree-dwelling lifestyle? Sloth. Sloths are known for their slow movements and spending most of their lives hanging from trees. What animal is known for its large, powerful claws used for digging? Mole. Moles have large, powerful claws that they use for digging tunnels underground. Which bird is known for its distinctive red breast? Robin. The robin is known for its distinctive red breast and is often associated with spring. What animal is known for its ability to regrow lost limbs? Starfish. Starfish can regenerate lost limbs. And some species can even regrow an entire body from a single limb. Did you guess the animal calls correctly? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to BrainBoostMania for more exciting quizzes. Thanks for playing.